All about Oxalis tetraphylla, the iron cross with a delicate touch. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're delving into the world of Oxalis tetraphylla, a captivating little plant with a surprising amount of personality. Often called iron cross due to the unique markings on its leaves, this beauty is a conversation starter both indoors and outdoors. But before we get carried away by its charm, let's answer some of the most common questions about Oxalis tetraphylla. See more 569 species in genus Oxalis at monsteraholic.com. What is Oxalis tetraphylla? Oxalis tetraphylla is a bulbous perennial native to South Africa. It's known for its clover-shaped, four-lobed leaves with distinctive dark markings that resemble an iron cross, hence the nickname. The delicate foliage sits atop slender stems, and during spring and summer, the plant produces charming, trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of white, pink, or purple. Is Oxalis tetraphylla easy to grow? Absolutely. This little trooper thrives on neglect. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Oxalis tetraphylla prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Too much shade can make the stems leggy, while harsh direct sun can scorch the leaves. Water. Water moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is a surefire way to kill your iron cross. Soil. Well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil is ideal. A cactus mix or a regular potting mix with added perlite will do the trick. Temperature. Oxalis tetraphylla enjoys average room temperatures, ideally between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. It can tolerate cooler temperatures, but won't survive frost. How do I propagate Oxalis tetraphylla? There are two main ways to propagate your iron cross. Division. During the dormant period, usually winter, carefully dig up the bulb and separate the offsets, smaller bulbs, from the main bulb. Repot each offset in its own pot with fresh soil. Seed. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try propagating from seeds. Sow them in a well-draining seed mix in early spring and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Germination can take a few weeks. Is Oxalis tetraphylla toxic? Unfortunately, yes. Like many other plants in the Oxalis genus, Oxalis tetraphylla contains oxalic acid, which can be harmful if ingested in large quantities. This is especially true for pets and children. The symptoms of oxalic acid poisoning include mouth irritation, vomiting, and diarrhea. The iron cross versus Shamrock, Oxalis triangularis friendly rivals? Often confused with its close cousin, Oxalis triangularis, also known as the Shamrock. Oxalis tetraphylla has a few key differences. Leaves. Oxalis tetraphylla has dark markings on its clover-shaped leaves, while Oxalis triangularis boasts a more uniform green or purple color. Flowers. Oxalis tetraphylla produces white, pink, or purple flowers, whereas Oxalis triangularis usually has yellow blooms. Growth habit. Oxalis tetraphylla grows more upright and compact, while Oxalis triangularis can be sprawling and vine-like. Can I grow Oxalis tetraphylla outdoors? Yes, but with a caveat. In warmer climates, USDA hardiness zones 8 to 10, Oxalis tetraphylla can be a charming addition to rock gardens or borders. However, it's not frost-tolerant, so in colder regions, it's best enjoyed as a houseplant. Additional information. Dormancy. During winter, your iron cross might go dormant. The leaves will die back, and the plant will enter a resting phase. Don't panic. Reduce watering and keep the pot in a cool, dark location. Come spring, with a little warmth and water, new growth will emerge. Pests and diseases. Oxalis tetraphylla is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs and aphids, which can be controlled with insecticidal soap. Fungal diseases can occur due to overwatering, so ensure proper drainage. Companions. The iron cross pairs well with other shade-loving plants like ferns, African violets, or begonias. Its delicate foliage adds a textural contrast and brings a pop of color to container arrangements. Final thoughts on the iron cross. Oxalis tetraphylla is a delightful plant that offers a touch of elegance and whimsy to any space. With its easygoing nature and interesting foliage, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners alike. Just remember to keep it out of reach of curious pets and children, and enjoy the delicate beauty of this captivating little iron cross.